Bring the real world into the classroom with the LaMotte Tour series of kits. Hands-on classroom activities that explore a tap water sample or a soil sample from the student's home, or a water sample from a familiar local waterway. Each tour contains background materials that connect the unit topics to the students' lives, and data sheets, puzzles, and ideas for extensions. Students follow diagrammed instructions, individually and working in teams, to evaluate samples using simple tablet reagent systems. Test results are determined by comparing colored reactions to a color chart poster. Open-ended questions and the analysis and interpretation of data lead to classroom discussions of causes and relationships. At the conclusion of the tours, students will be able to explain the impact that their actions can have on their immediate and extended environment, and they will take away a better understanding and appreciation of their personal world. The tours are a digital, downloadable mini-curriculum with a student manual and an instructor manual that can be used on a computer or tablet. They are designed for 4th through 8th grade, but are adaptable for grade level, class schedule, and learning needs. Everything that you need for 50 students is included except for some common household items. The tours are available directly from LaMotte Company or through your favorite science equipment supplier.